Panic buying in North Korea despite zero coronavirus cases. North Korean consumers have reportedly been participating in panic buying, emptying store shelves in the process. According to NK News, an American website that specializes in North Korean news, the panic buying has led to an absence of staples such as sugar, flour, and vegetables in stores. Imported goods have also been experiencing high demand, with some sources saying they were told to purchase supplies by April 21. Initial shortages involved fresh produce, but imported products in North Korea have been running out since the country closed its border on January 31. There is no evidence to suggest that the panic buying is related to rumors of North Korean leader Kim Jong-un's ailing health. NK News said that it may be caused by the tougher state emergency anti-epidemic steps the country is reportedly taking. Experts from North Korea believe these steps signal either a show of vigilance from the government or an attempt to end the local COVID-19 outbreak. The North Korean government told the World Health Organization that as of April 17, they had tested 740 people for COVID-19, but all the results came out negative. World Health Organization's representative to North Korea, Edwin Salvador, also said that the country had released over 25,000 people from quarantine since December 31. The South China Morning Post reports that North Korea has been bringing in all of their outside through Nampo Seaport, where all supplies, including those for COVID-19 relief efforts, are disinfected and quarantined for 10 days. North Korea, one of the world's poorest states, is known to experience food shortages with one famine in the 90s, killing up to 10% of their population. The coronavirus pandemic may increase their economic hardship and lead more to starve. According to Metro News, a North Korean defector who recently escaped into China tested positive for coronavirus after being confined to a Chinese hospital for a gunshot wound. It is believed that over 180 North Korean soldiers have passed away from coronavirus-like symptoms. In March, U.S. Forces Korea Commander General Robert Abrams said the U.S. is fairly certain the Hermit Kingdom has cases of coronavirus considering a lack of military activity. The World Health Organization continues to offer North Korea anti-coronavirus supplies.